stop scrolling, because the DJI Pocket 4 leaks might just change everything we know about compact cameras. Recently, a mysterious handheld camera surfaced in a snowy outdoor leak. At first glance, it seemed like DJI, but the dual lens head immediately caught attention. Could this be DJI's next big move? Or is Insta360 quietly taking the lead in the dual camera compact space? The real breakthrough? A clear retail box has appeared, showing a single-lens DJI Pocket 4 standard. This isn't a prototype, it's almost ready for launch. And that's good news. The standard model is shaping up to be the true successor to the Pocket 3, keeping things simple while improving core performance. Pocket 4 standard specs 1-inch sensor for better low-light, cleaner images, and cinematic background blur. 4K up to 120 FPS for smooth slow-motion shots. Enhanced autofocus and tracking for solo creators or vloggers. Over 200 minutes battery life, so you can shoot longer without interruption. Smart design tweak. Rotate the screen horizontally, and 2 physical buttons appear, zoom and a customizable quick access button. It's a small evolution, but these changes make the Pocket 4 feel more professional in daily use. Enter the DJI Pocket 4 Pro. Now, the Pro version is where things get insane. Rumors suggest dual camera setup, 1-inch main wide lens plus 1.1-inch telephoto lens, 2x-4x optical zoom, 6K video at 60 fps and 4K at 240 fps, 10-bit color and D-Log-M for serious color grading, bigger battery to handle all that power. This combination could make the Pocket 4 Pro the most versatile compact camera DJI has ever made. Price and release. Both models will cost more than their predecessors, with the Creator Combo around $700 to $750. Leaks suggest a launch in late February or early March 2026, so the wait is almost over. So, is DJI overcomplicating the Pocket series? Not at all. The standard model looks perfect for everyday carry, while the Pro could be a game changer for creators who need maximum flexibility in a tiny package. If you want to stay ahead of the tech curve, hit subscribe, share this with your creative friends, and turn on the bell icon. You don't want to miss the official Pocket 4 reveal. If you want, I can also make a super snappy 60-second shorts version highlighting just the dual lens Pro, specs, and launch date, perfect for viral clips. Do you want me to do that next?